everyone. In this video, I'm going to be talking to you about the different kinds of fasting. I decided to do this because now it's the holy month of Ramadan for the Muslims out there. But if you know this, there's different religions that practice and preach fasting and the benefits of it. And now we are in this phase of that little fad of intermittent fasting and fasting with only water or dry fasting. I want to talk about the different benefits. So if you're interested in fasting and the benefits it can have on your psychological well-being, the spiritual well-being, and your body, please let me know. I don't know why I just said, please let me know of if you're interested. Like, what are you going to do? Write to me? I mean, you can, but anyway, I want to start off with listing the different areas where people fast. So we have the Muslims that fast. They do it based on the sun and the moon. The time of year that they decide to fast is a specific Muslim month. And then they look out for the moon to decide when is the day that they're going to fast, because that is how their calendar is. It's a lunar calendar. And then after that, they fast from sunrise to sunset. So it's not based on timing or amount of hours. It changes every single year. And it could be in summer, it could be winter, it could be in fall. And like every country has a different amount of hours for sunrise to sunset. And basically they do not eat or drink anything. They can't even smoke or chew gum or any of that has flavor. And like basically something that you can ingest in any way. When they fast, you go through your grumpy phase, you go through the fatigue, but what you're supposed to do during this period is learn kindness, practice compassion, learn patience. And patience is something that is learned because you are forcefully being more patient because you can't just eat whenever you want. If you are speaking in a vulgar tone, then your fast doesn't count. So that also teaches you patience, right? And then it's supposed to be a time where you donate and you practice good deeds. And this is not just practice in Islam. Then you have intermittent fasting that could be anywhere between 12 hours. It can go up to I think some people do it for days on end. I don't recommend doing it for more than 48 hours. If you are just drinking water, you can drink water or coffee without milk or sugar. Then you have the dry fasting where you can't eat or drink anything. We have different people who have tried it out. You can check out some videos on YouTube who do it on days on end. If we are just not eating and abstaining from things that we like to eat, and then we're being angry, are we really raising our vibrations? And also at the same time, when we fast, we are detoxing our bodies from all the toxins that are within it. So whether you are eating things with chemicals, whether you're having things that are low vibrational like alcohol, with you fasting, you are removing it forcefully from your body. All the toxins come out in some way, whether you excrete it, going to the toilet, or whether it comes out of sweat, it's all gone. There's nothing for it to hold on to because you're not eating during that period. And not only that, it really helps with losing weight. And I'm not just talking about losing weight of oh, I want to just lose weight, but it's removes, because it's removing all those toxins, all those dirty things within your body. That's the stuff that holds on to the weight. So you start to lose that. And then you have in Christianity where they fast and they basically abstain, is not the right word. They stay away from every kind of meal that they enjoy. So for example, if someone likes eating McDonald's, they do not eat McDonald's whatsoever. The food that they eat is not supposed to be enjoyed. And then you have Buddhists who fast. They eat at sunrise and food can only be eaten until 12 p.m. and then after that they don't eat anything, and they're only supposed to be worshiping, and that's supposed to raise your vibrations and spirituality. Because if you can fast in such a way, then you can focus on your spirituality, focus on raising your vibrations. Anyway, guys, this was another video for you guys. If you enjoyed it, please give me a thumbs up. Leave some comments for me down below so I can know that you liked it. If you have any pointers, did I miss something? Is there something that I forgot to say? Because if I did, I want you to tell me. Have a great day and see you next time.